Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what I've been working on the past few days, but this is a tool to get estimates on this website, hamptonroadspickupman.com. Say for instance you want a couch picked up. All you do is you click the couch, you can see the price right there, and you click the add button. It'll add it to the list. And let's also say that you want a refrigerator picked up. You add that, and then you can scroll down to the bottom. You can see the total, and it does apply a volume discount. Once you go over 500, it applies like a 5% discount. I'll go ahead and test that out. So once we get to 500, okay, so let's see on the total, $53 off. Once you're done, you click book and select a time. It'll pull from our calendar and let you know like our earliest availability. You select a time window, and then you would type in your email, your phone, your first name, and if you have any additional information, say you weren't able to find a certain item or other options that may need to be priced in, you could just leave any notes that you want here. So we could just write notes. Anyway, so once you do that, it's all booked. And it'll say you're all set. You can see here in my email, I have received the confirmation, and we can just take a look at this estimate here. After you get your estimate, it'll give you your price there, of course, but then you can also view it. And this would be your completed estimate. Anyway, that's the end of this video. If you need junk removal, just go to my website, get your estimate, and you're all good to go. Thanks for watching.